Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. For centuries, it was believed that life came out spontaneously by itself from mud, decomposing food, garbage, and things like that. And then along came Francesco Redi, and he didn't believe that life could evolve spontaneously. Life could just generate out of mud, or insects and mouse can be born out of decomposing food. So he wanted to prove it otherwise, and he started his experiment. He took two clean glass jars, and into that he put two clean pieces of meat. Assuming this is meat, he put two clean pieces of meat. And one glass jar, he left it open to the air, and the other glass jar he covered with a muslin cloth or a gauze cloth. And then he left them like that for a few days. In the glass jar that was left open, attracted by the meat, insects came. Insects sat on it and they had little pieces of meat, and they also laid their eggs. And in the glass jar that was covered, no insects could enter because it was completely closed. And after a few days, Francesco Redi observed that the glass jar which was left open showed maggots or larvae, small insect larvae coming out of it. Whereas the other glass jar with meat in it, but which was covered, did not show any signs of life. This is how Francesco Redi said that if insects came, they laid their eggs and the larvae came. No entry of insects, no eggs, no larvae. So life evolves from pre-existing life, and from eggs laid by insects, the larvae come out, and not out of mud or decomposing food or garbage. That's how Francesco Redi proved it. And it's a very elegant experiment. And what is more elegant is this is supposed to be the first controlled experiment which disproves spontaneous generation and proves that larvae are born out of insect eggs. Simplicity always steals the show. Thank you.